Students, I welcome all of you. Today we are going to briefly discuss about permanent tissue. In the previous video, we had a brief introduction about meristematic cells or meristematic tissue. There are two types of cells or tissues in case of plant tissue. They are meristematic tissue and permanent tissue. Meristematic tissue, as we already know that they are made up of cells which are continuously dividing or producing new cells, creating new cells that are required by the plant body. Whereas in case of permanent tissue, there are cells which have acquired a permanent role. They have a definite shape, size, and function to perform. That means these cells are meristematic tissue, they do not divide. They have lost the power of division. As we have studied, there are two types of tissues, dividing tissues and non-dividing tissues. So permanent tissues are the non-dividing tissues. They become specialized for a particular function called differentiation. So what is differentiation? Differentiation is nothing but once the meristematic cells lose the power of division, they sort of acquire a definite shape, size, and function. That is known as differentiation. They are specialized for a particular job. Once differentiation is completed, the cells lose their capability to divide. They no more divide. They become non-dividing, and the tissue becomes permanent tissue. Permanent tissue are of two types: simple permanent tissue and complex permanent tissue. So we have two types of cells or two types of tissues: simple tissues and complex tissues. In simple tissues, we have simple cells. We have cells that are thin or thick walled. We have cells that have large vacuoles because they have to perform function, they have to perform job. They are no more concerned with the cell division only. Now they are supposed to provide mechanical strength to the plant body. They are also concerned with the storage. They are also concerned with other such functions that are necessary for the survival of the plant body. Also, they have simple structure and the cells are similar in shape and size. That's why they are known as simple tissues. So simple permanent tissue, they are also known as homogeneous tissue because they are made up of single type of cells, usually with same origin, structure, and function. Simple permanent tissues are of three types: parenchyma, collenchyma, and sclerenchyma tissue. So simple tissues, we have parenchyma tissue or parenchyma cells, collenchyma, and sclerenchyma tissues. All the three tissues perform three different functions, three different roles, and the cells are also different according to the roles and the functions they are supposed to perform. For example, parenchyma, you can see filler; collenchyma, supporter or provides the mechanical strength to the plant body; and the sclerenchyma, that is the protective or the protector tissue. We will discuss all the three types of tissues: the parenchyma, collenchyma, and sclerenchyma tissue in the upcoming video. Thank you for watching. Thank you very much.